Hello students, in this video we will see what is the relation on set for two non-empty sets. Before that we have already discussed the concept of Cartesian product. Also in this video we are going to study what is the domain of relation, codomain and range of it. Let's start with Cartesian product, which we have already discussed in the earlier video. Suppose two non-empty sets, set A which contains few elements, I'll take it later on, and another set B which is having few elements, both are non-empty. In order to define relation, we should have two non-empty sets A and B. For simplicity, I'll take here element X, Y and Z, and in set B I have taken element A and B. Try to associate members of set A with B. As in Cartesian product we have discussed, each member of set A is associated with every element of B. Means यहाँ का every element associate होना चाहिए set B से. Suppose X is associated with A, X is associated with B, Y is associated with A and Y is associated with B. Even the same for Z with A and with B. So this is the criteria for Cartesian product, and if you write this Cartesian product A cross B, your answer is XA, XB, YA, YB, ZA, ZB. All are order pairs. Read as order pairs. So number of elements are 6 in this Cartesian product. Now what is the relation? We'll define relation. Relation is a subset of this Cartesian product. Means in Cartesian product, every element is associated with each element in B. So relation में तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हर एलिमेंट B के एलिमेंट को एसोसिएट करे. उसमें से few elements means A में से कुछ एक दो एलिमेंट्स B के one or two element के साथ associate हो गए, so that will be a relation. So not necessary each element should associate with every element of B. Means I can define the relation, the same set. Here if I take same set A and another set B, same members X, Y, Z and AB. Now A is associated, X is associated with A and Y is with B. Z has not associated with any member. So AB relation form हो गया. So जरूरी नहीं कि each member B के साथ associate हो. In relation I am talking about. So ये relation बन गया. Look at the definition of relations. As we have discussed, relation is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. So relation is subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Means as set A having members X, Y, Z and set B having members A and B. So as I have already defined, one relation is X is with A and Y is with B. So what we call that A is image of B. As like in a normal relation we used to say that A is a brother of B, A is a sister of B. So like that, these are the blood relations. But here some rule is there which associate one member from set A with member of set B. तो ये set B का member इसका square हो सकता है, इसका twice हो सकता है, इसका half हो सकता है. That we don't know. That we will define later on exactly क्या relation है उनमें. तो normally we are writing X is in A and B में उसका image है A. So like this I can define another relation. So A एक relation हो गया, X, Y, Z, A, B. कोई और relations. Now X is associated with B. So X का image B है. So Y का image A या Z का image फिर से A. Means दो मेंबर्स का सेम इमेज हो सकता है या एक मेंबर के दो इमेज हो सकते हैं. Any. So like that many relations we can write on a given two sets. So how many relation? Maximum relations. As you know that relation is a subset of A cross B. यहाँ पे number of elements in A कितने members है? 3. So number of elements in B 2. So how many members in A cross B? तो इसमें तो 2 3 6 members आएंगे. और हमने पावर सेट में देखा है. So what is that? Your relation is a subset of this. So A कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में अगर 6 मेंबर होंगे तो उसके मैक्सिमम सबसेट्स कितने बना सकते हैं हम? दैट इज अ पावर सेट. सो पावर सेट मीन्स वी हैव 2 raised to 6, isn't it? Means 64 relations can be defined on given set A and B, which is having 3 elements in A and 2 elements in B. Look at this relation. This relation is in the form of arrow diagram, isn't it? Set A, B and members are associated. The same relation we can write in the set format. So relation R. So look at X associates or X is related to A, Y is related to B. So this is relation R. So this is in the form of set, which is in roster form, and this is in arrow diagram. Now we want to see that what is a domain, what is a range and what is codomain. What is the domain of the set? Domain. Set of all first elements. So what is the domain? Set of all first elements in relation. So in this relation, what are the first elements? X and Y. So write domain of domain. किसका domain है? We are talking about relation on set A, which is relation is R. So domain of relation R, and that domain contains what members? The domain contains X and Y. This is not order pair, separate individual element X and Y. But here we can talk about XA is order pair, YB is also order pair. What about range? Range of R. Range of R is set of all second element. Second element. Isn't it? So what are those second elements? Here second element A and B. So range of given relation R is A comma B, means set A and B. What is a codomain? Set of all elements in B, whether it is image or not, means we are collecting B में के पूरे elements, उसका A के साथ कोई relation हो या ना हो. सपोज यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा C है तो रेंज में तो नहीं आएगा. सो रेंज विल नॉट चेंज. रेंज इज हैविंग ओनली A एंड B. वो किसी का तो इमेज होना चाहिए. लेकिन कोडोमेन में पूरा B, मीन्स कोडोमेन कंटेंट्स A, B, C. So once again I repeat, what is a domain, what is a range and what is a codomain. So in domain we are collecting only those element जिसका कोई image बनता है. So domain में तो इतना ही आएगा. So Z is not part of domain. What is a range? Range में इतना ही आएगा. किसी का तो image चाहिए. So range में ये भी है. लेकिन codomain में पूरा B. Isn't it? So what is the relation between codomain and range? Codomain is the entire set B और उसका range is only A and B जो किसी और element का image है from A. So range is always subset of B. So remember, So range is always subset of codomain. Sometime your range and codomain may be equal. अगर हमने Z और C का रिलेशन बना दिया है यहाँ पे, तो C भी रेंज में इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, और डोमेन, कोडोमेन और रेंज आर इक्वल इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस. हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट सेट? सेट लिखने का एक मेथड तो लिस्ट फॉर्म है, वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल ऑर्डर पेयर. दूसरा मेथड है एरो डायग्राम के थ्रू, और तीसरा मेथड इसी को हम रोस्टर मेथड को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं सेट बिल्डर में, जो हम सेट में भी करते हैं. लुक एट दिस एग्जांपल where R is a relation defined on A to B, where A is a given set which contains 1, 2, 3, B is a set which contains 1, 4, 16 and 25. तो रिलेशन कैसे डिफाइन किया है यहाँ पे देखिए, सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर पेयर ए बी सच दैट बी इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ ए. सो अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई किया तो आर में आएगा. सो रिलेशन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेट बिल्डर. इसी रिलेशन को हम लिस्ट के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज अ लिस्ट फॉर्म, इसको लिस्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट मेंबर ए में से होना चाहिए, मीन्स ए इज फ्रॉम ए एंड बी इज फ्रॉम, स्मॉल बी इज फ्रॉम बी. तो चल ए, सो फर्स्ट मेंबर इज टेकन 1 फ्रॉम ए. अगर ए की जगह हमने 1 लिया तो 1 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा, 1. So B is also 1. So 1 is associated with 1. So 1 associate with 1. फिर से क्रॉस चेक करें. Put value of A is 1. Value of B is 1 in this condition. If condition satisfied, then only this order pair is part of R. If I take A as 2, so 2 square 4. मीन्स B शुड बी 4. 4 B में है क्या, यस. सो 2 का इमेज आया 4. अगेन क्रॉस चेक दिस कंडीशन, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ A हियर 4 एंड B हियर, सो सेटिस्फाइड. नाउ इफ आई टेक 3 का स्क्वायर 9, मीन्स B इक्वल्स टू 9, लेकिन B इस सेट में 9 है नहीं, सो 3 का कोई इमेज हमें B में नहीं मिलेगा. सो दैट इज 3 does not have any image in set B. So I cannot add that 3 member over here. So all members from A over. So this is a set which is in list form. So we can see here the set which was given in set builder form, we have converted it in a list form. Can we write the same set in arrow diagram? Here is set A, set B. A contains 1, 2, 3 and B contains 1, 4, 16 and 25. As per the relation R, I can associate 1 with 1, 2 with 4. Now what is the domain, range and codomain? What is the domain for this? Write the domain. By the definition, set of all first elements. This is a domain. This is a domain. So 1, 2. Domain contains element 1, 2. What is the range? So in range, set of all second element 1 and 4. Not all these, only images. So this is range. So range contains 1, 4. What is codomain? What is codomain? Codomain is an entire set B, second set entire, whether it is image or not. So I have to collect 1, 4, 16 and 25. So this is all about domain, range and codomain of a given set. I hope you understood this concept of relation, domain, range and codomain. Thank you.